Archer's Volt dual plug system enables 2 barrier plugs to be installed and retrieved in one run, with the goal of reducing operational time and costs. Both plugs are run in-hole to the lower plug setting depth. The Volt system consists of a lower plug, an upper Volt plug, and the option of having a space out between the plugs for additional time savings. While setting the lower plug, the Volt plug rotates with the string. The lower plug can be set as per standard procedure, and the Volt plug can be treated as part of the drill string. The lower plug is set by right-hand rotation, while slacking off the drill string. Set down weight completes the setting of the plug. A pressure test can be performed from below. The ball valve closes by a half-turn left-hand rotation, sealing off the internal bore of the plug. Slack off weight will collapse the collet in the running tool. Applying left-hand torque and pickup weight will disengage the running tool from the plug. Perform a pressure test from above if required, and pull out of hole to setting depth for the Volt plug. At setting depth for the Volt plug, drop a ball to shear out seats that have locked the Volt plug during the lower plug operation. Once the seats are sheared, flow is re-established and the Volt plug is unlocked and ready to be set. The Volt plug is now set as per standard procedure. While setting the Volt plug, the communication valve opens, allowing communication between the annulus and the internal plug bore. Setting down weight to complete the setting of the Volt plug will also deactivate the lock feature in the ball valve, allowing it to be operated. The Volt plug is now set and ready to be pressure tested from below. The Volt ball valve closes by a half-turn left-hand rotation, sealing off the internal bore of the plug. Applying left-hand torque and pickup weight will disengage the running tool from the Volt plug. Pressure test from above as required. 2 plugs are now installed in one run. The running tool for the lower plug is hung off below the Volt plug. Run in-hole to retrieve both plugs in one run. Set down weight to latch onto the Volt plug and confirm overpull. Open the Volt ball valve by a half right-hand rotation, which will open communication through the plug. Monitor and bleed off gas or pressure through the internal bore and through the communication valve. Release the Volt plug by having right-hand rotation and overpull. At this stage, the communication valve will be closed. Run further in-hole to retrieve the lower plug. set down weight to latch on to the lower plug and confirm overpull. Open the ball valve on the lower plug by a half right-hand rotation, which will open communication through the plug. Monitor and bleed off gas or pressure. Release the lower plug by having right-hand rotation and overpull. Run in hole to below the setting depth to confirm that the lower plug is released. Pull out of hole with 2 plugs retrieved in one run.